China EV Post is reporting that Tesla's Shanghai Megafactory has officially started production, just 9 months after construction began in May 2024. This marks Tesla's first energy storage factory outside the United States, and will primarily produce Megapacks, large-scale commercial battery storage units that help stabilize electrical grids. The factory has the capacity to produce 10,000 Megapacks per year, providing up to 40 gigawatt-hours of energy storage, enough to power around 50,000 homes in Shanghai for a year. Tesla has been facing supply constraints for its energy storage products like the Powerwall and Megapack, but this new facility will significantly increase production. The first Megapacks from the Shanghai plant will go to Shanghai Lingang Economic Development Group, the factory's first customer in China. The factory is located in Pudong's Lingang area, near Tesla's existing car factory that builds Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. In another development, BYD's FinDreams unit is supplying battery cells for the Megapacks produced at the new Shanghai facility. With growing global demand for energy storage, this marks a major expansion for Tesla's business beyond electric vehicles. You are listening to Yuan News.